Today, we're going to talk about spermatogenesis, which is the process of germ cell production, specifically male gametes. First, we're gonna talk about stimulating hormones for the process to take place. It's all started at the diencephalon where the hypothalamus and the pituitary glands located. The hypothalamus has a specific nuclei that release a specific hormones called gonadotropins releasing hormones. Gonadotropin releasing hormones then bind to the receptor cells called gonadotropes, located in pituitary gland that release two specific hormones that regulate spermatogenesis. These hormones luteinizing hormones and follicle stimulating hormones. These two hormones target the ovaries for female and testes for male.
Now we're moving on to the testes. The testis is located in the lower part of the male scrotum and plays a big part in male reproductive system. It releases testosterone for regulation and production and maturation of gametes. In the testes, we have the structure called seminiferous tubule, where the spermatogenesis takes place. Seminiferous tubules consist of Sertoli cells, which are tall columnar type cells that line the tubule. Its function is to nourish the developing sperm cell. Between these cells are these proteins that linking them together to form a tight junction. They separate these Sertoli cells to two compartments.
The basal compartment form a type of stem cell, which is called the spermatogonium, which is also a diploid cell. Diploid cell means it contains the complete set of chromosomes. Spermatogonium undergoes with a process called mitosis. Both split cells are named A cell and B cell. A cell will be the next spermatogonium and B cell secretes chemical to open the tight junctions. B cells then move to a luminal compartment and become the primary spermatocyte.
These spermatocytes then undergoes process called meiosis. Spermatocytes which are diploid becomes two haploid cells. Haploid cells mean it only contains half of parent cell's chromosomes. These haploid spermatocytes are called secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes undergoes meiosis too, and it's split to create two more haploid cells, which are now called spermatids. Spermatids are immature cells and undergoes spermatogenesis. When it become more mature, it will become motile and fertile.
Sperm pathway. Seminiferous tubule, also known as sperm formation. It is the primary location of sperm reproduction, which is located inside the testis. All sperm in the testis is created in seminiferous tubules. During the spermatogenesis, the sperm are produced, however, they are not mobile or fertile, so we need to find a way to make them the ability to migrate to mature them. Epididymis or maturation. This is where the sperm maturation takes place. Before maturation process, our sperm is infertile. It can't migrate to the specific site of origin to become mobile, and the mobility gives the term fertility. This is also the storage center of all the sperm. The sperm stays there until ejaculation or arousal.
Vas deferens. It is the next location during ejaculation, the next region where the sperm shunted from the epididymis to vas deferens. This is also known as peristalsis. In vas deferens, we have a surgery or procedure called vasectomy.
Prevents anything from going to epididymis to the ejaculatory duct. It is a surgical procedure for male where commits nip the vas deferens and prevents any kind of migration of sperm into the next region, which is called ejaculatory duct.
People that have the vasectomy become infertile even though they have mobile sperm, but that cell cannot migrate out and inserted into the vagina for polarization of the egg. In short, Vasectomy is a unique way of doing a permanent contraceptives. Ejaculatory duct delivers sperm into the urethra, adding secretions and additive from the prostate necessary for sperm function, while providing an interface between the reproductive and urinary system in men. Urethra. Sperm will become semen, which is a combination of membrane and sperm. And lastly, penis. Final stage of the ejaculatory pathway, which expels semen in spurts due to the movement of the muscle propelling it.